Wow, I'm back again. So, this is great. How to save money. This is a good old-fashioned tool, this. It's called a Kingsley tool. So, put your nut on. This is for compression fittings. Put your nut on. Compression goes on. But we've got no olive. So this is a Kingsley tool. What you do is put it in there like so. And then you slowly turn it round. There we go, look. It's put an olive on. So we've made an olive. Put it on there like so. Turn it up. I'm back, and this time's top tip is awesome. Bit of history for you now and education. The Supa tap. This is a super duper tap. Why is it a super duper tap? Because it was invented for hospitals and you can re-washer it without turning the water supply off. So here goes. What you do is you undo the top nut. Take the nozzle off. And here we have a single check valve. So that stops the water coming out. This isolates it. You can see there, there's a single check valve. And here's the nozzle. This is where the washer is. There you go. So there's the washer at the top. And it sits in the spout. Rewash it, push it back in. Pushes open the single check valve and goes against the jumper and the seating. So it's a Supa tap where you can actually rewash it without turning the water supply off. Good, isn't it? Fantastic. What I like about this one, look underneath, it's got putty in where it was installed, and it's also got a lead washer. So if you're an apprentice or you're new in the trade, just be apprehensive. If you come across an old tap that's been puttied in, just warn the customer that there might be a damage there taking it out. Sometimes you might have to cut them off, get a hole saw cutter on. Thanks for watching. Weekend warriors. Do you know, I love being in an old building and looking at all the architecture and tracing back what happened. So here we've got some really old hooks. This is in the basement. Look at this. There's bell wires and little pulleys from where the servants used to pull to get attention. Look at that little key. Isn't that amazing? Look at that. Yeah, I found that. But I'm going to put it back on display. Weekend warrior.